Welcome to CNBC's Crypto World. I'm Brandon Gomez. Major cryptocurrencies heading lower this morning after the Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged on Wednesday, while indicating that reductions are likely in store for later in the year. As of noon Eastern, Bitcoin remained pretty much flat, trading above $84,600. That's after breaking through the $86,000 level this morning. Solana dropped more than 2.5% as the first Solana futures ETF hit markets today. The new ETF, launched by Volatility Shares, comes as issuers await SEC decisions on spot Solana ETFs. Meanwhile, the XRP token fell more than 4.5% the day after the company's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, announced the SEC is dropping its case against the company after more than 4 years. Immediately following the announcement, XRP soared, with the token climbing 14% as of noon yesterday. The development comes as the SEC moves quickly to reverse much of the enforcement action taken against the crypto industry by the previous administration. That includes ending cases against several crypto companies, including Coinbase, scaling back its crypto enforcement unit, and declaring most meme coins are not securities. Tomorrow, the newly formed SEC Crypto Task Force will kick off a roundtable series. The first one will focus on defining the security status of digital assets. Okay, let's talk about some of the other top stories. President Trump addressed attendees of the Digital Assets Summit this morning, saying that America is now poised to become the crypto capital of the world. It was the first time a sitting president addressed a crypto conference. In a video message, the president touted his recent moves related to crypto, including his executive order creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The order, signed earlier this month, also established a U.S. digital asset stockpile managed by the Treasury Department, which holds other confiscated cryptocurrencies. The president said that the move would allow the federal government to maximize the value of its holdings instead of, quote, foolishly selling them for a fraction of their long-term value. He went on to say that his administration is ending what he called the last administration's regulatory war on crypto, adding that he has urged Congress to pass landmark legislation which would create simple, common-sense rules for stablecoins and market structure.
With the right legal framework, institutions large and small will be liberated to invest, innovate, and take part in one of the most exciting technological revolutions in modern history. It's so big, it's, I think, as big as you can get. Pioneers like you will be able to improve our banking and payment system and promote greater privacy, safety, security, and wealth for American consumers and businesses alike. You will unleash an explosion of economic growth, and with the dollar-backed stablecoins, you'll help expand the dominance of the U.S. dollar, and many, many years to come, it'll be at the top, and that's where we want to keep it. We only want to keep it at the top, always.
Next, South Korean prosecutors are investigating local crypto exchange Bithumb. That's according to the outlet YTN, which today reported that the exchange allegedly provided company money to its former CEO and current advisor to purchase an apartment. The report says its headquarters in Seoul was searched in connection to the alleged $2 million embezzlement. We reached out to Bithumb but didn't hear back right away. However, according to a different local news outlet, a Bithumb representative confirmed some of the allegations and said that the former CEO returned all the money he had borrowed. Last, a new survey reveals institutional investors are increasingly bullish on crypto, with the vast majority planning to amp up allocations in 2025. This research out this week from Coinbase and EY Parthenon found that 83% of the 352 firms surveyed plan to increase their exposure to crypto this year. The survey found that increased investor interest is partly driven by the belief that more regulatory clarity will be the catalyst that unlocks a new wave of opportunities in the space, especially as it pertains to custody. On the flip side, the currently vague regulatory landscape is considered one of the main challenges facing the industry. A significant majority of surveyed investors said they plan to allocate more than 5% of their assets under management to crypto this year. The global survey was conducted in January and notes that nearly 3/4 of firms already hold cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ether, with XRP and Solana being the most popular.